I'm done. I just finished my coffee. I was about to paint already. I was about to take on my 9 to 5, which is painting. And then this package just arrived.
So I was taking like a quick break while painting like maybe a couple of weeks ago. I was browsing through Twitter and then I saw one of the stuff of Fenris Games. So I that they are selling and I cannot help it after seeing all those really cool monsters and creatures and miniatures. I had to message Fenris Games. I invited them to be like if they want to be a partner, like a Patreon partner and stuff like that. So we had a really nice chat and he kind of follows me already. I realized that during the chat and then of course I followed back and then we had a pretty like really fun chat and then fast forward to today, I have here my Fenris Games package. Other than the really cool minis that Fenris gave me, it's time to like slap on those stickers on my wet palettes. I really love it when hobby companies like send you, other than the stuff, they send you stickers so that
Super cool miniatures from Fenris Games. I have to quickly clean them up and then assemble and then prime them. And then I'll show you the miniatures again.
So as usual, I'm using my SAB panel liners. These are awesome. You could get them at Rise of Gunpla. It's a Gunpla store in France and make sure to use my daughter's like discount code which is simply Nico Suratos. So as you can see here, the fitting of the resin parts, resin casted parts are really good. There's very minimal gaps and it's a really high quality casting of these miniatures. Although of course I have to add a little bit of putty work so that I could really make it perfect before I paint these miniatures. So this clip, I'm just cleaning up the minis. I think I should not have sped up the video because while sanding my cheeks are kind of bubbling up and down. And you could even see that I'm talking to myself sometimes. So anyways, it was like a really quick cleanup. It took me maybe less than an hour, maybe 30 minutes in cleaning up all these 4 miniatures.
So again, a ton of thanks to Fenris Games. They're awesome. The miniatures are so beautiful. I will paint one as early as later. But basically, I'll paint one definitely one next month. And then I'll have it here in my channel. And I hope you'll enjoy the painting video very soon.
Pardon with the quality of the audio with the talking head. I have to figure out the best way to record audio because as you can see the background, our studio is super open, lots of really open spaces, and lots of noisy roosters. Anyways, back to this Fenris Games miniatures. The miniatures are super good. There's very little work in terms of the cleanup. And I always love working in the resin. I love like the softness of the resin. They're so nice to shave. And I enjoy preparing resin miniatures, resin casted miniatures before painting. As I expected, the resin casted miniatures are very high quality. The details are very good and very sharp. But what I really love about Fenris Games when I browse through like Twitter, their characters are very unique. Like this one, you can see there are a lot of eyes. This will not be easy to paint because of the eyes. But the character is so cool. It's going to be super fun in any campaign. So as I've said, the characters, the creatures, the monsters, they're very unique. This one looks like a cockroach and a bat in one. So it's really, they have really crazy designs and should be fun to paint very, very soon. And this one, I'm thinking of like a shiny brown color for the scales, and then for the wings, I'm not really sure, but this should be super fun to paint too. I can actually quickly paint these kinds of miniatures because of the nice details. I'll just airbrush, do oil washes, a bit of highlights, and it's done. But I never want to rush really high quality miniatures like this one. Now the gem of the parcel, the package, is this guy, this huge guy. I love big miniatures because I'm not getting any younger, and painting bigger miniatures like this one is easier on the eyes and for the old eyes like mine. And this one looks like a Cthulhu, and this should be super fun to paint. I love Lovecraft, I love Cthulhu-like creatures, and this will be super nice as a display piece in my display cabinet. I super like the splash of water. He's like sitting on a piece of rock, and then there's splashes of water on the sides. This should be super fun to paint. It will be fun to paint with acrylics, much more with oil. So we'll see. I'll try to paint this next month or the month after. And then you'll see how I'll paint this super detailed miniature that is super big. So this will be nice. This will be fun. And hopefully you'll have fun watching the video once I put it up. So Fenris Games is located, I think, in UK. And I highly recommend you check them out. They have really cool miniatures. The designs are unique and look super fun to paint and to play with. I'll give this one more check of cleanup before I prime, and then I'm definitely priming these models after this video.
So that's it for our quick unboxing and assembly and priming of this Fenris Games miniatures. Until my next video, guys. That's it, Pansit.
Now do check out these other videos, and I hope you like them too. I've added some unboxing videos and of course a couple of painting videos.